We keep the focus on staying healthy, and getting healthy starts with eating healthy. And what better time to start than on World Health Day? Chef Paul Williams from the Healthy Chef JA is here, and he's going to show and tell us about a few healthy meal options. Morning, Chef. How are you?
Good morning, Gam. Great. Thanks for having me again.
It's awesome having you this morning. Yeah. All right, Chef. So when we talk about a healthy diet, what are some of the things that we have to consider? What are the most important things?
First thing is, I hate the word diet. It's
okay.
Die with a T. So if we take that out and just concentrate on healthy living, healthy eating,
yes,
then we don't have to do those yo-yo diets. So with our plan, you eat healthy, you lose the weight, you do not put it back on. So
that is
the key, yes.
Chef, you have some diets in them and you stick to them, you know.
As
and you
soon
look
as you
good
come
for the
off,
summer, you know.
Whoop.
But by September morning, it not going so
exactly.
good. So how important is, so that's the first thing, consider it lifestyle and not
exactly.
just a fad. Portion control.
And that's what we have here. I have two different dishes to show you today. I have a chicken and I have a tuna. And this one here is 500 calories, so is this one, and this is 300 calories. Now, depending on
Chef,
your...
you know, I always wonder how to know the calories, them.
Everything is weighed and measured.
Okay.
And the thing is, we get used to eating everything on our plate as Jamaican people, as we have been taught.
Yeah.
Finish your plate or you don't get up from the table.
It's an insult to the chef.
Right. So it is better you either use a smaller plate and fill it, or you learn to portion yourself. Your stomach will get used to eating smaller portions in about 2 weeks, and then you'll see the weight just
Do you know what a nutritionist taught me a long time ago? When you get the food in the box, plate it.
Yes.
Because you would shock yourself to know how much food is in that box that you're forcing yourself to eat.
And worse, how much rice.
I mean, I don't talk about it because rice in the box. All right, so calorie intake is very important.
Very, very important. But you need calories to function. You need carbs to function. You need protein
Chef,
to function.
like you.
Yes, you do. So
like you.
Anybody who says calorie-free diet, carb-free diet, no.
Yes.
You have to balance everything. Eating healthy is a jigsaw puzzle. What works for you might not work for me. But as soon as you find all the pieces...
That work for you, work for you. Me like chef. What chef did that all my life? True. Some people, and you know, this morning we're talking about couples staying healthy, and one of the things I know is that you can cook the same meals and your husband lose weight faster than you.
It happens all the time because it's that jigsaw puzzle, man. But you get it right over time, and yes, it does take a lot to get it right.
To get it right.
Yeah.
But then when you do get it right, if you become consistent, like eat at a particular time of day and be specific,
you change your life.
Change your life. Yeah, that eat when I'm hungry.
No, you can't. You have to eat before you're hungry. You have to eat at a specific time every day. The same time every day, so your body burns everything before you put more on top of it.
What's an ideal gap between that time?
So breakfast is usually about 45 minutes after you wake up, no more. And then a snack 2 hours after, and then lunch 2 hours, then a snack 2 hours, then... So every 2 hours you want to be eating small portions. You don't want that big portion size that make you sit down on your chair and you can't get up because you overcarb yourself.
You have to wait till it's food digests.
Exactly.
You kill the whole of the cultural nuance, you know. You have to clean the plate and make you sit down there till it digests, then you move.
If you eat right, your peak energy will always be here the whole day.
Clive, you heard that? What time you have to wait? 45?
Breakfast, most important meal of the day. It is true, so yeah.
Chef, the whole of we are gone bad because we wake up, no, we eat breakfast.
And your times 4
hours after work.
No, that makes your metabolism slow down too much. You need to get it going.
Chef, I love you. Smell Jamaica, wanna make my belly big. And that the chef I try to tell you now. Right now, them side belly and thing. I wanna, I'm supposed to eat 45 minutes after my wake. Sarah, walk on. All right, we need to bring chef here every morning with the breakfast.
I'm available.
All right, chef, so let's talk about some healthy alternatives to common things that we eat. You said rice, we are rice people.
Well, we have quinoa, which cooked properly, not the instant one from the box. You
know you mustn't tell people your business, because I don't know why chef is looking at me.
I'm not looking at you,
chef.
But quinoa cooked with chicken stock or even fish stock, fantastic. And a little applesauce, it makes a world of
but
difference.
But I could talk about the quinoa being cooked properly. Because you know, Jamaica, if it not fluff up, we think it not cooked.
Yeah, no, it mustn't be too soft, but it mustn't be too crunchy. It must be al dente, or you'll boil out all the nutrients out of it and leave it in the pot. Yeah. I tell you, it's a jigsaw puzzle. You just have to find what works for you.
Oh, I was this old when I discovered that I'm not cooking the quinoa right. Chef, okay. So the quinoa, but you know what I like about it? It's as filling as the rice.
It is actually more filling than rice.
And it doesn't give you the kind of...
And it's a simple carb, so it burns quicker, doesn't turn to sugar, doesn't turn to fat.
Yes.
So it is a much better alternative. It takes getting used to some people because it's different. And you know, we love rice and peas and white rice, but cooked properly, fantastic. Cooked and at the Healthy Chef, we use a lot of quinoa. And people actually sub out the rice for quinoa.
For quinoa, yeah, the quinoa is cool. Yeah. So you brought some stuff for us. I've never seen tuna like this.
Right, so this is a ahi tuna. It's a yellowfin. It's and we cook it always medium because when you cook it too much, it dries out.
Okay.
So we cook it medium. That's why you have that nice pink texture. It has a soy glaze on top with zucchini noodles, and we use no butter, no cream, and there's no salt in any of this. And when you taste it, you'll be like, no man, salt in it, but there's no salt.
Okay.
And then it's on top of chickpea, coconut, and curry puree, which is
what
fantastic.
You say, Chef?
And then we have the chicken, a nice grilled chicken on top of cabbage, charred cabbage, with glazed onions and carrots, where we use a little maple syrup just to give it a little sweetness without using sugar. And again, we use quinoa in this dish.
Okay.
And then these are our healthy snacks called Pops Up. They're in all the supermarkets. They're filled with egg and onion or jerk chicken or Philadelphia cheesesteak, pizza, ackee and sawfish, cucumber, blah, blah, blah. And I could go on.
And you just warm them?
You just put it in the toaster oven for about 15 minutes to get a nice crunchy shell, or you put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes to get a nice soft shell.
Soft shell, and inside warms up.
And I brought this especially for the staff, because last time I brought it, never eat it off, so.
You know, some love Chef. Honestly, Chef is so refreshingly honest. Never eat it off.
He did.
When there, lock the studio door. I'm not coming in this morning.
Yeah, I don't want a Will Smith incident.
Nah, but tell me a little bit about the Healthy Chef, J.A.
So we have been in business for almost 10 years. Okay. We don't advertise much because word of mouth gives us so much business.
Wow.
If you go to work and in 2 months you drop 30 pounds, people are going to be like, what you do? Oh, it's the Healthy Chef J.A.
Wow.
And then people come on board. We have over 10,000 members.
What?
We do about 800 to 1,000 plates of food a week. And we have a money-back guarantee, the only one in Jamaica. If you don't lose weight, we give you back your money.
Listen, I'm taking the Healthy Chef J.A. challenge. If you don't see me come on, on the side belly, on the front belly, and the back belly gone, you know, me and Chef Williams.
Well, I'll give you one better too. If anybody can go on our website and tell us what color shoes the host was wearing, we'll give you 1 month free meals. One month. Just to get you started. So we want everybody to smile.
Run to the website, www.thehealthychef.ja, and follow them on Instagram. What color shoes am I wearing? I feel for cover it up now. And then you'll get a month free. Chef, so cool meeting you.
Same here, man. It's been a pleasure.
Because sometimes healthy eating, people think it's drab, it's tasteless.
But look on this healthy food.
This is
500 calories, 300 calories. I mean.
And nice.
And healthy.
Healthy.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah, man.
Chef,
we have over 600 menu items that rotate every week so you don't get bored.
Chef, we're going to do it. We're going to do it. We're going to, Lord have mercy. Spanish Town, who this? Who this? I'm not telling us if I lock the studio door. I'm telling us if I lock the studio door. Who is this? We're going to a short break to see if security can come in here. When we come from the fun stop, it's the Grammy Award song. Nebla and I are going to do the Shaggy Challenge. Soon come.